Hello ma'am. So my name is Kunal Sandeep Ganjare and this is our project animated video on precautions of COVID-19 using Python. So for the animations I use a turtle module in a Python which have the large variety to various functions for the animations. In that turtle module I use forward functions to make a lines and rectangles and many more things in the line. Turtle.circle functions for the making half circles and full circles. The turtle.fill color, begin fill and end fill functions for to paint my animations, and turtle.write functions for the making text messages in my animation, and many more things. Also I use a regular file our for loops and many more things in my project. So also I use a time module for giving space between the two particular messages or two between particular functions. So now I will go for the execution of my project, and I will also explain with the execution. So first is in the first screen I display injection which is representing the COVID-19 vaccine, that means a Covaxin. To make the injection I use a for loop for the making a rectangles and such a lines in that on that screen. Also the drops are made by using the line and half circle and a message are displayed by using the turtle.write function into the turtle module. And also the spacing between that means the time which is between two displaying message are given by the time.sleep function into the time module. Now here is the person which is get vaccinated by COVID-19 vaccine, that means a Covaxin. Also I display he wears some mask. His body is made by using the circles and rectangles. The turtle.fill color, turtle.begin fill and turtle.end fill are the painting functions are in the turtle module I use here to paint the body of that person. I also use here the background function, turtle.background, that means a beige color, for painting the background. Also there is a time between two messages. Now we can see there is a time between two messages are given by time.sleep function. Here I mainly about the COVID-19 vaccine, and myths about COVID-19 vaccine. Now the precautions after vaccination, that means there are some precautions which every person must be take after vaccinated. So first is avoid consumption of alcohol for 28 days. I use here a bottle I make here a bottle by using the forward and backward function into turtle module. Also the avoid smoking for 28 days. And there are the pills which represents a person should take a pills if we get fever or chills after the vaccinated, which is a key. Also these pills are given at a vaccination center. So in my total I use here graphics in the turtle module. That means graphics are made by using a turtle module functions such as a circle, forward, background, fill color, end fill, and many more things. And also I use here the new concept which is a hex code for the colors, which gives me a large variety of colors to make my project attractive for everyone. So that's my project, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello ma'am, my name is Rupin and I have created a short animation using the turtle module of Python. So I'll explain the code now. This code is used to print sanitizer on the turtle screen. This code is used to create a rectangle with the background color of sky blue on the turtle screen. This code is used to create the nozzle of the sanitizer. This for loop is used to create the spray animation of the sanitizer. The for loop is used for it. The speed sets the speed or timing of the animation, how fast the animation will take. Then the sanitizer is printed on the bottle using this code. The time.sleep module helps in the interval between the animations, and this code is used to print about the precautions which should be taken about COVID-19. A dot resets the entire screen as a blank screen with only the background. Then this code is used to print precautions. Then the pen color is changed to black by A dot color. The set of fruits is created using this code of the color green and red. This code is used to print the fruits with water before cleaning them. This for loop is again used to create the spray animation, and then a circle with a slash is created using this code to show the caution symbol. A.write is used to print any text. The text is printed using this code. Then set of clothes is drawn using this code, and then another precaution is written using the A.write function. Now I will execute the code and show the animation.
Washing hands has become an important aspect in this pandemic. Keeping our hands clean is one of the most important steps we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. Many diseases and conditions are spread by not washing hands with soap and clean running water. To create hand washing animation in Python, I have used the turtle and time modules. Turtle is a Python feature like a drawing board which lets us command a turtle to draw all over it. We can use functions like turtle.forward and turtle.right which can move the turtle around. Python also has a time module which allows us to handle various operations regarding time, its conversations and representations, which finds its use in various applications in life. Let me show you the execution of code. So this was a short animation video to understand you the importance of washing hands. Thank you for your patience listening.
To stop the spread of COVID 19, a dangerous virus that has killed millions of people all across the world, we are requested to follow social distancing. That is, to stay away from people. As this virus spreads from person to person, we must stay at our homes and avoid crowded areas to make sure that we stay safe and our society stays safe. So, to show social distancing through animation, I have used Turtle and Time module in this Python program. Turtle is a Python feature like a drawing board that lets us command the turtle through functions like turtle.forward, turtle.right, and allows us to draw over the screen. Time is another Python module that helps us or allows us to make various operations related to time. This is my code, and let me show you its execution. Thank you so much for listening.
Hello, ma'am. I am Ritesh Subhe, and I have made a mask with the help of Python Turtle graphics. So here I have imported the Turtle module, and yeah, I have used the object as the turtle.screen. Then the I have set the background color of the screen to sky blue, and then I have hidden the turtle, which will that the turtle will not be seen. And so in here I have set the speed to 2, and this will begin the fill and the of the mask, and I have just set the color of the mask to light sky blue. The T dot up will set the pointer to the upwards direction. The T dot go to will a minus 250 comma minus 75 are the positions of the turtle. So the turtle will go to the to that position. T dot down will the turtle will uh, point towards the downward position. The T dot forward means it will go 400 pixels forward. T dot left 90, that is it will shift towards left in 90 degree. T dot forward will again go 200 pixel forward. So yeah, and T dot end fill will stop filling the color, and T dot circle 99.5 minus 180 degree, that is it will make a semicircle. So yeah, and I have given the I have given the text color as green, and the style of the text, that is Arial 20 is the size of the text, and the italic is the style. Sorry, italic, and I've made it italic. Then T dot right will write the message that we want to appear on the screen, and T dot speed will be the speed of the message. So yeah, these are all the codes I have used. So now I will run the program. So yeah, that was all I made using the turtle graphics. This is a mask. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.